Hello everyone, welcome to the channel of Easy Connect. My name is Samir Savana. So guys, this is the third video of permutation and combination chapter. We have been discussing numbers and digit based questions from the last video. So let's start the session guys without any delay. This is a course objective guys, right? In this complete course, all these topics will be covered. Right now, we are at second chapter. So, or you can say the second topic that we are discussing is number and digit based questions. So, till now, we have understood the concept of rule of and, rule of or with these examples in the first video. So, questions till question number 7 have been covered in the first video, and arrangement concept and the application of arrangement in the digits based question have been covered in the second video, and now in the third video we will continue with the different type of questions. So question number 13 was the last question that we discussed in the previous video. Let's start from the question number 14. Question number 14 says, using the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 without repetition, find the number of distinct 4-digit numbers that can be formed for each of the following conditions. So basically this is having three questions. We are supposed to use the digit from 1 to 8 without repetition. Repetition nahi karna digits ka. Find the number of distinct 4-digit number. The number that you are supposed to make should be of 4-digit with the following condition. The first condition is number should be greater than 6,000, right? Guys, if I want to make a number which is greater than 6,000, all you have to take here is the first digit, right? If you place 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 at the first place, number will not be more than 6,000. A number, a 4-digit number will be more than 6,000 if it starts with the digit 6 and it is not followed by all three zeros, because there is no repetition of digit. So you cannot place 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 at the first position, right? Because number need to be more than 6,000. So if number need to be more than 6,000, the possible digit for the first place will be either 6 or 7 or 8. So for this place can be filled in three ways. Now once you place a digit over here, by assuming that I'm picking 6, 7 or 8 at its first position, I'm placing 6, 7 or 8 at its first position, I will make sure that the number that we are going to make is definitely more than 6,000. So that means this place can be filled in three ways. Now, once a digit is placed over here, out of 8 digit, 1 digit is placed. So out of 8 digit, 1 digit is placed. I am left with 7 more digit. This place can be filled in 7 ways. Now out of 8, 1 digit has been placed here, 1 digit has been placed here, 2 digit has been placed. So you can say out of 7, remaining 7, 1 digit has been placed. So I will be left with 6 more digits. So this place can be filled in 6 ways and this place can be filled in 5 ways. So the numbers which will be greater than 6,000 will be 3 into 7 into 6 into 5. Now 3 into 7 is 21 into 30. 21 into 30 is 630. So this is the answer of the first question. The numbers which are greater than 6,000, the total such numbers are 630, guys. This is the answer to the first question. Now look at the second condition. In the second case, we have been given this condition that the number has to be even. Now, as I explained to you in the previous video lesson, in all such questions of numbers and digit, you first have to satisfy the condition. We are making a 4-digit number and I have to make sure the number is even. How can a number is even, guys? A number will be even when the unit digit of that number will be even. If the unit digit is odd, number will be odd. If the unit digit is even, the number will be even. Unit digit means this last digit. So if to make the number as even, you can see that at the unit position I can place either 2, I can place either 4, I can place either 6 or I can place 8. So the last digit can be filled in 4 ways. First place can be filled in 7 ways, because out of 8 digit, 1 digit have been placed over here, because this is the condition. So I will satisfy that condition first, and then I will fill the digits of the remaining position. Now this place can be filled in 4 ways, this in 7 ways, this in 6 ways. Why this in 7 ways? Out of 8, 1 digit is over here, so remaining 7 digit will be here. Now 2 digit have been placed, so this place can be filled in 6 ways, this place can be filled in 5 ways. So total possible numbers which will be even, total numbers which will be even using these digits, and all of these digits will be 4 digit number, will be 7 into 6, 42, 5 into 4, 20, 42 into 20 is 840. So 840 is the answer of this question. 840. 630 was the answer of first question. Now look at the third condition. In the third condition, it says number has to be even as well as greater than 6,000. Now both conditions are supposed to be satisfied. Now the problem with this third case is that I have to satisfy two conditions. In the first case, only one condition was there, that the number was supposed to be greater than 6,000. In the second case, the second condition is given that the number was supposed to be even. Now, there only one condition. Now, third case, I have been given both of these two conditions. The number has to be even as well as it has to be greater than 6,000. So, how will you solve these type of questions, guys? See, whenever you are supposed to satisfy the two conditions, first of all, let's see what are the digits that I need to place to satisfy both conditions. To make sure the number is 6,000, more than 6,000, I have to place 6 here, 7 here, or 8 over here. And to make sure the number is even, I'll have to place 2, 4, 6, or 8 over here. Now you see this. To satisfy both of these two conditions, there are two digits which are common with the first condition as well as the second condition. So whenever you come across these type of condition where the two conditions which are supposed to be satisfied have some common digits among themselves, what you do is you solve the question in different case. First, take the case when no digit is common. That means if I am placing 2 or 4 over here, let's not place 6 and 8 over on the unit position. If I am placing 2 or 4 at the unit position, that means this place can be filled in 2 ways. The unit position can be filled in 2 ways. Now, out of the 8 digit, 2 positions are over here, and this place, we know that if I have to make the number more than 6,000, this place can have the digits only 6, 7 or 8. So this place can be filled in 3 ways. Okay. Now out of 8 digit, 1 digit is placed here, 1 digit is placed here. I'm left with 6 more digit. So this place can be filled in 6 ways and this place can be filled in 5 ways. So total numbers that will be even also, and it will be more than 6,000 also, will be 3 into 6, 18 into 5, 90, 90 into 2, 180. 18, yes. But we also have to consider the second case when you are not placing 2 and 4 over here. In fact, you are placing 6 and 8 over here. You see that to make the number even, I can place 2, 4, 6 or 8. Now 6 and 8 are common with these numbers, so therefore I took a separate case of placing 2 and 4 here. Now I will go for the second case when this place can be filled with any of these two digits, 6 or 8. That means this place can be filled in 2 ways now, right? But the problem is I also have to place 6, 7 or 8 at this position. Now I know that out of 6 and 8, one of the digit is definitely over here. If one of the digit is definitely over here, out of these 3 digits, I will left with 2 more digits. So this place can be filled in 2 ways. This place can be filled in then 6 ways, and this place can be filled in now 5 ways. Right? Is it clear, guys? Okay. So 2 into 6, 12, 12 into 5, 70, 70, 2 into 6, 12, 12 into 5, 60, 60 into 2 is 120. So I have 180 number over here satisfying the condition of greater than 6,000 and even, and 120 numbers over here satisfying the condition of more than 6,000 and even. But here in this even number, unit digit will be either 2 or 4. Here in these even number, unit digit will either be 6 or 8. So total 180 plus 120, answer to the third question will be 300. So 300 will be the answer of this question. Yes. Is it clear? This was question number 14 of our course. Moving ahead with question number 15. What do we have over here? Using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 without repetition, find the number of distinct 4-digit numbers that can be formed for which are odd numbers greater than 4000. So this is just for your practice, guys, and one similar question. What I'm supposed to make is a 4-digit number, guys. The number has to be a 4-digit number, and I can use any of the digit of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. It should be greater than 4000. If it should be greater than 4000, guys, first place can be filled with 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8. That means this position can be filled in 5 ways. But I also need to make sure the number should be odd number. Now the number is odd. Here you have 1, 3, 5 or 7. Now what is difference in this question or previous question is, in the previous case, when we were satisfying this condition, there were the digits which were common here. Do we have the digits which are common over here? Yes, we have the digits. You see that 5, because I have to make the number greater than 4000. So 5 and 7 are also coming over here, and because I have to make sure the number is also 5 and 7 also are coming over here. So both of these two conditions have the common digit, so you take the separate case. First would be the case when no digit is common. First would be the case when no digit is common. That means if I place 1 or 3 over here, then this place can be filled with any of these digits, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means this place can be filled in 2 ways, this place can be filled in 5 ways. Out of 8 digits, 2 digits are placed. I will be left with 6 more digits. This place can be filled in 6 ways and this will be filled in 5 ways. Okay. Yes. So how many numbers I have? 5 into 6, 30. 35 into 10. 30 into 10. Total 300 numbers will be there. Second will be the case when you are using 5 or 7 of this at these two positions, and here it can be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now see this, guys, if this place can be filled in 2 ways, but I know that out of 5 or 7, one of the digit is definitely being used over here, so I will be left. So therefore, if 5 out of 5 or 7, one digit has been used over here, I will be left with only 4 digits to be used at this position, because either 5 or either 7 is there. So this place can be filled in 4 ways now, right? Earlier when there was nothing common, the previous case there was nothing common, so therefore this place can be filled, this place was filled in 4, 5 ways because there was nothing common. But here we have a common digit, so if one of the digit is being used over here between 5 and 7, that 5 or 7 will not be available here to be used, because repetition of the digit is not allowed. So this place can be filled in 4 ways. Now this place can be filled in 6 and this place in 5, because we have 8 digits, 1 digit is used here, 1 digit is used here, so we are left with 6 digit to be placed over here, or 5 digit to be placed over here. So how many numbers we have over here? 4 into 6, 24, 24 into 5, 120, 120 into 2 is 240. So the answer to this question will be 300 plus 240, that means 540. 540 will be the answer of this question. Numbers will be greater than 4000, and they will, all these numbers greater than 4000 will also be odd numbers. Question number 15. Okay, now let's move to the question number 16. It's a very simple question. How many natural numbers greater than 7 lakh can be formed by using the digit 0, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 if repetition is not allowed? So if I have to make a number has to be greater than 7 lakh, first of all I have to make the numbers of 6. I have to make a 6-digit number. I'll have to make a 6-digit number, otherwise how can this number will be more than 7 lakh? 7 lakh have total 6 digit. Okay, to make the number more than 7 lakh, can I use 0 here? No. Can I use 3 here? No. Okay, can I use 5 here? No. Can I use 6 here? No, right? You cannot use these digits, because then the number will not be more than 7 lakh. To make the number more than 7 lakh, first place has to be at least 7, right? And because we do not have all the zeros behind it, so we can have this surety that if 7 is being used over here, whatever digit you placed among these, the number is definitely going to be more than 7 lakh. So if this place can be filled with either 7 or 8, right? Now out of these 6 digits, if one of the digit is placed over here, I will be left with 5 more digits. So this place can be filled in 2 ways. Now one of the digit is being used over here, repetition is not allowed, so this place can be filled in 5, this place can be filled in 4, this place can be filled in 3, and this place can be filled in 2, and this place can be filled in 1 way. So how many digits we have? 2 into 5 10, 10 into 4 40, 40 into 3 120, 120 into 2 is 240. So the answer to the question is 240, which is option number D. D is the answer of this question. Moving ahead to the question number 17, how many 6-digit number can be formed 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 such that all odd positions from left hand are odd digits and all even positions are even digit. Repetition of digit is not allowed. So I have to use only these 6 digit guys. I'll have to use only these 6 digits, either 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, such that all odd positions are odd digits. Now this is the position number 1, that means this is an odd position. This is the position number from left hand guys, right? You have to look at the position from the left hand. So left hand is this guys, so you have to start counting it from here. So this is the first position, this is the second position, this is the third position, right? First position, second position, third position, this is the fourth position, this is the fifth position, and this is the sixth position. So this is odd guys, this is odd, and this is also odd position. Now I have to use only odd number at odd position and even number at even position. How many odd number I have guys? 1, 3 and 5. All these 3 digits are odd numbers. That means this place can be filled in 3 ways. Once a digit is placed, I will be left with 2 more odd numbers. This place can be filled in 2 ways and this place can be filled in 1 way. Similarly, how many even numbers are there? 2, 4 and 6. 3 even numbers. So this place can be filled with any of these 3 even numbers, either 2 or 4 or 6, anything can come. Any digits can come here or come over here. So this place again can be filled in 3 ways, this place can be filled in 2 ways, this place can be filled in 1 way. So 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. So the answer to the question will be 36. Right? So if odd positions are odd digits are supposed to be used on odd numbers, even positions are supposed to be used on even numbers. So total there will be 36 such numbers possible. Moving ahead to the next question, guys. Question number 18. Question number 18 says the odd number less than 1 lakh that can be formed using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, allowing the repetition of digits. Now here in this case, the repetition of digit is allowed. We are supposed to make only odd numbers and it has to be less than 1 lakh. If it has to be less than 1 lakh, 1, 2, 3, 4, the number cannot be of 6 digit, number has to be of 5 digit, because 1 lakh is a first number of 6 digit. So if the number has to be less than 6 digit, maximum number of digits it can use is 6 and the minimum number of digits it can use is 1. Now I can use any of these digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First, in how many ways? There is a repetition. The repetition of the digit is allowed also. That means first place can be filled in how many ways? In any of these 5 digits. Second place can also be filled with any of these 5 digits. Third place can also be filled with any of these 5 digits. Fourth place can also be filled with any of 5 digits. Because the repetition of the digit is allowed, every position can be filled in 5 ways because we have the 5 digits availability, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So how many numbers you will be able to make? 25 into 25 into 5. 625 into 5. 3125. 3125 is the answer of the question. 3125. Now some of you might be thinking, because if I also have a 0 as one of the number, so you might be thinking that 0 cannot be used over here. No, 0 can be used over here because nowhere it is mentioned that the number has to be of 5 digit. Number can be of 4 digit also. Number can be 3 digit also. Number can be of 2 digit also. A number can be of 1 digit also. So even if I am using 0 over here, 0 at the second position, 0 at the third position, 0 at the fourth position, and 1 at the last position, still you have a number which is equal to 1, and it is less than 1 lakh. right? So automatically, by making sure if I'm using as one of the possible digit at this position, it will automatically cover all the 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit numbers, right? The second way to do is that you place either 0 here. You first go with a separate case. Then let's try to make a 5 digit number. Now if I want to make a 5 digit number, I cannot place 0 over here. So this place can be filled in 4 ways, then this 5, 5, 5 and 5 ways. And then the second case where you are making a 4 digit number. Now because you are making 4 digit number, first place can be filled in uh, only 4 ways. This can be filled in 5, 5 and 5 ways, and so on. For 3 digit number, first place can be filled in 4 ways, this can be filled in 5 and 5 ways. For 2 digit number, this place can be filled in 4 ways and this place can be filled in 5 ways. And 1 digit number, this place can be filled with any of the 5 digits. Right? So if you add them up, if you multiply all these values and add them up, 4 into 5 into 5, you will get the same answer as 3125. Right? You can cross check it also. Let's do it. 5 into 5 is 25, 25 into 25, 625, 625 into 4. This value will come out to be equal to, let me create a space over here. Okay, let's cross check the answer. If I go for a 5 digit number which will be less than 1 lakh, the numbers will be 25 into 25 into 4, 625 into 4, which will be equal to 2500. I have 2500 such numbers, and then 125 into 4 will be 500. Okay, 5 into 5, 25 into 4 is 100, 5 into 4 is 20, and 5. So how many numbers we have? Check it. 2500 plus 500 is 3000, 3000 plus 100 is 3100, plus 20 plus 5, 3125, right? So either you can go for the individual case where you are making a 5 digit, 4 digit, 3 digit, 2 digit and 1 digit number, or you can straight away use this condition that because the number of digits are not fixed, that means 0 can also be placed at the first position. So this will automatically cover all the remaining cases. This will automatically cover all the 5 digit, 4 digit, 3 digit, 2 digit and 1 digit in its calculation. This is also equal to 3125. Both are the correct way to approach this question, guys. Now moving ahead to the question number 19. What do we have in this question? Using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, how many 4 digit number divisible by 4 can be formed where the repetition of a digit is allowed? So question number 19 is over here, guys. We have these digits 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now the number that I want to make has to be a 4 digit number and it should be divisible by 4. Now what is the divisibility rule of 4, guys? This is what we have studied in the number system. A number is divisible by 4 when the last 2 digits are divisible by 4. Now you have to see, also in this case the repetition of a digit is allowed. That means I can place 0, 0 also here. Now see this. What are the different possibilities for the last 2 digits to be a multiple of 4? Because if the last 2 digits are multiple of 4, then the number will be multiple of 4. Multiple of 4, guys. So look for all the possible cases where you are placing the last 2 digits as multiple of 4. Start with 0. Can I place 0 here, 0 here? Will the number be multiple of 4? Yes. Okay. What if I place 0 here? 0, 1 will not be multiple of 4. 0, 2 will not be multiple of 4. 0, 3 will not be multiple of 4. But 0, 4 will be multiple of 4. Okay. 1, 0 is not possible. 1, 2 is possible. 12 is a multiple of 4. 1, 3 is possible? No. 1, 4 is possible? No. Okay. With 2, 2 and 0 is possible? Yes. 2, 1 is possible? No. 2, 2 is not possible. 2, 3 is not possible. 2, 4 is possible. 2 can come over here, 4 can come over here. And the next case would be, okay, start with 3. 3, 0 is possible? No. 30 is not a multiple of 4. 3, 1 is possible? No. 3, 2 is possible? Yes. 3, 2 is possible. 3, 32 is a multiple. 3, 3 is possible? No. 3, 4 is possible? No. Because 34 is not multiple of 4. Okay, go with fourth case. 4, 0 is possible? Yes. Placing 4 here, 0 over here. Okay. 4, 1 is possible? No. 4, 2 is possible? No. 42 is not a multiple of 4. 4, 3 is possible? No. 4, 4 is possible, right? So the 44 is possible. So these are the number of cases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, 6, 7, 8 cases. Now, keep this in mind that I have to make a 4-digit number here. Now, if the number of digits are specifically mentioned, first place cannot be filled with 0. Now, if 0 cannot be filled over here, out of the 5-digit, repetition of digit is allowed, but 0 will not be coming over here. So I will be left with 4 digits to use. This place can be filled in 4 ways, this place can be filled in 5 ways. Same is the case for here also. This place can be filled in 4 ways, this place can be filled in 5 ways. So I'll have 20 numbers over here, 20 numbers over here. In the same case, again I'll have 20 numbers. In this case, again I have 20 numbers. In this case, again I have 20 numbers. So out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20, 20, 20 will be coming for 5 times. So 100 numbers are over here. In the same case, you can straight away multiply 20 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 20 into 8, 160 is the answer. But you can also cross check if 32 is coming over here. This place can be filled in 4 ways, 5 ways. Again 4 ways, 5 ways. 4 ways, 5 ways. Do not confuse with these numbers with this. These are the digits which we are placing, and these are the number of ways in which the digits can be placed. 4 into 5, 20. So in every one possible case, we are able to make 20 numbers which will be divisible by 4. And there are such, how many cases? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 cases. 20 into 8, that is 160 will be the answer of the question. Is it clear? Repetition of digits. 160 is the answer of this question. So this was question number 19, guys. There are still more questions to be covered. We still have more questions to be covered, right? There are still a number of different type of questions are pending to be covered. So we are done till question number 19. From question number 20, we will start in the next part of the video, right? So in the next part, every remaining all types of number and digit based questions will be covered. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Click on the bell icon to get notification of our courses and classes. And please do not forget to like and share the video. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Thank you so much. See you in the next session. Bye. Take care.